People love our lightweight and portable Berkey light system, and it's easy to see why. Weighing only 6 pounds and standing 26.5 inches tall and 9 inches in diameter, the Berkey light requires minimal counter space and can be moved around with ease. The Berkey light holds 2.75 gallons of water, and with 2 black Berkey elements can purify up to 96 gallons per day and can be expanded to purify up to 192 gallons per day, making it ideal for mid-sized families or small groups. It's made from non-BPA BPS copolyester, which does not retain or leach any foul odors, and its extremely durable design is long-lasting and resistant to breaks or dents. The versatility of the Berkey light makes it a great choice for home use or outdoor activities like camping, where a larger water filter isn't practical. During an emergency, a fully configured Berkey light system can easily serve from 100 to 200 people. Unlike other Berkey systems, the Berkey light features transparent containers that allow you to see how much water is available before refilling. Additionally, the built-in base raises the spigot up so you can fill a glass with water without having to place the unit on the edge of the counter. There's also an option for a lighted base that adds ambiance and makes it easy to find at night both in your kitchen and at a campsite. Berkey light systems come with 2 black Berkey elements and can be expanded up to 4 elements. The system can also hold up to 4 Berkey fluoride and arsenic reduction post filters if desired. With all these amazing features, it's hard to believe that the Berkey light is actually the most economical of all the large Berkey systems. To purchase a Berkey light, visit us at www.berkeywater.com.